What are great perennials to grow in your allotment? We're talking vegetables and fruit. What are great perennials to have down at your allotment? Now, first up is rhubarb. One plant can feed you for 10 plus years. However, I've had mine in 16 years and it's still feeding me. Rhubarb crumbles every single year and it's producing fantastic. And they have virtually no maintenance once they're established. Obviously, don't pick them in the first year. They need to get established and then pick them in the second year for years after. And they're perfect in your crumbles, jams, and even gin. People are making rhubarb gin now, and it comes back bigger and better every springtime. Asparagus, it's a long-term investment, but it's worth it. It produces every single year for 20 plus years. And asparagus is so expensive to buy in the supermarkets, and it's absolutely delicious. And fresh home asparagus tastes nothing like the shop bought one itself. You need a dedicated bed to have it in, but it's a tiny yearly effort that you need to put into maintaining it. Perennial kale. Yes, you can get perennial kale. It doesn't bolt like annual kale, and you can pick leaves all year round on it. It's hardy and it's very productive, and it's great for small gardens as well. Globe artichoke. Now, I've never grown any myself, so I might give it a try one year. It's beautiful and it's edible, and it's a striking architectural plant. I can't say it. I'm not very good at saying my words, but yeah, it's got a great appearance to it. It gives edible buds every single summer. The bees love the flowers if you let some of them open as well, so it's great for the wildlife as well. Sorrel, now another great one for the bees as well. It's lemon flavoured leaves that regrow constantly. It's brilliant in salads, in soups. It's very hardy and it survives neglect as well, so if you're not a good gardener, just leave it and it'll grow. It's a must-have perennial for any veggie patch. Mint, but keep it contained, have it in a pot, or it will spread everywhere. And when I say spread, it will spread. It's perfect for teas, drinks, desserts, or in your mojito. Comebacks every single year. Plant it in pots, or otherwise it will spread everywhere. There's so many varieties of mint as well now. There's not just your common mint. You've got apple, you've got chocolate, you've got strawberry. Even if you've got it just to rub on your fingers and just smell it and appreciate the plant itself. Chives, that are mild onion flavour. Beautiful edible flowers, and it grows after each cut. It's ideal for borders, pots, or raised beds as well. A great addition to any garden. Lovage, it tastes extremely like celery, so I probably won't have it because I absolutely disgust celery. It grows huge with very little care. It's perfect for soups, stocks, and it's an old traditional allotment plant that comes back year after year. So those are the perennial plants that you can grow in your allotment. Some of those I'm going to make a list myself and try growing it myself, especially the asparagus and the artichoke, because they're two things that I haven't got on my allotment, so I might give them a try next year down at the block. So give them a try, let me know how you get on, let me know if you grow any of them as well, and don't forget to drop us a follow to stay up to date with all our videos. Until next time, everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Bennett.